Hey, it's Aman here. I'm going to show you how to use LinkRedirect.io with new Zenler and redirect links within new Zenler. And I'll give you a very, very good use case, especially if you're doing webinars on new Zenler. So I'm going to basically pretend here that I'm doing a webinar on new Zenler. And in the webinar, I want to tell them to go to mydomainname.com/go. And that is my call to action where I tell them in the webinar, if you like everything you watch, you can go and sign up right now and get the discount code. Go to eranbukai.com/go and you'll be able to sign up for the coupon code, for example. Now, the way this would work is you would need to generate a specific code. So let's just pretend for a second that this is the checkout page. Now, what you need to do is you go to the course. This is a demo course. And you're going to need to click the copy of the URL. Now, the copy of the URL, you're going to need to create a page here under site. Go to pages, and I'm going to create the domain name here. Create a page that says /go. Forget that this says eranbukai.newzenler. Let's just pretend it says your name .com/go. Okay. Now you're going to click on edit, and let's say this is the page. You're going to click on add row 0, 100%, add element, and then you'll see here custom HTML. You're going to click on the custom HTML. Now you'll see it right here on the red. Click on settings and click on change content. Now it will appear right here. You're going to delete what's here. You're going to paste. You're going to now grab this link, which is this one, the checkout link. You're going to go to my software, LinkRedirect.io. Step 1, paste in that link. Click on generate code. Then it generates the code. Click on copy. You go back to the editor, and then you're going to paste the code right here. Now you're going to update it. Now you're going to save. And now watch what happens when I watch this page. When I click on this page, it will take me straight to the checkout page. So I'm going to click on preview. Notice the URL, eranbukai.newzenler.com/go. And then it will change the URL right here and take me straight to the checkout page. Now let's do it on incognito to test it. So it's going to be eranbukai.com/newzenler/go. And basically this URL will change in a second and will go to the correct checkout page. Okay. And here it is.